If you want to call and set up the voicemail on the Redmi 15, all you have to do is go into the phone app. We're gonna open the dialer, and we can press and hold our finger on number 1. And after that, you should be able to call the voicemail. And after that, you can just follow the instructions that you will hear in order to set up the voicemail. In case you cannot reach the voicemail, it might be due to the incorrect voicemail number. So in order to fix that, we can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and open settings. Next, we're gonna go to voicemail over here. In my case, I need to also choose the SIM because I have 2 SIM cards. And over here, go to advanced settings. And there we go. Here we have the voicemail number, which we can edit in case it is incorrect. You can either try to contact your carrier or service provider in order to get the voicemail number, or you can try to Google this information. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.